Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for You, and in today's video I am unboxing Lenovo Yoga 314. Lenovo launched the Yoga 314 in India at a price tag of rupees 90,000, exactly 89,550 rupees, and as you can see that at the front it has Lenovo branding. On the side, on left hand side you can see the product IMEI number, model name, etc. On the right hand side there is nothing as such. At the top you can open the box, at the bottom and at the back you can see it is powered by Intel chipset and name of the commodity and etc. As soon as you open the box, you can see that the laptop cum tablet is nicely well packed. Apart from this, there is a safety warranty and setup guide, Lenovo service center list, do not discard case. It comes with Office 365 activation key. And apart from this, there is a portable computer packaging list. There is a box in which there is a charger. As you can see that there is no connector as such, so you have to buy it from market. Keeping aside all the box, this is how the Lenovo Yoga 314 looks. It is a pretty good build quality. At the back of the laptop you can see the speakers, etc. It has genuine window inside it. On the left hand side there is a one micro USB. There is a USB slot and one HDMI port, 3.5mm audio jack. It is here where you can use the SD cards. On the right hand side there is another USB slot, HDMI port, volume and keys, the keys button, mute key. There is a power key and battery indicator. As soon you open you can see that some of the things. It is powered by Intel Core i7 Ultra-Core. It has inbuilt NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, and it has Harmony software as indicated on it. Just open it and you can see it welcomes you, and you can get used to it. Although the Windows 10 update is available, you can update it by using the internet. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.